A Walmart delivery refund is usually issued through the app after you report a problem on the order page, and most cases are handled without you ever speaking to a phone agent. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to request the refund, what reason to pick, and what to do if Walmart tries to replace the item instead of refunding it. Start in the Walmart app or website and go to Orders. This matters because refunds are tied to the specific delivery, not your general account. Tap the order that has the issue. Next, select Help with Order. This is the main entry point for refunds. Walmart doesn't use a separate refund button for delivery problems, so this section is where everything starts. Choose Missing Items, Wrong Item, or Damaged Item, depending on what actually happened. The reason you pick affects whether Walmart auto-approves a refund or pushes a replacement instead. If the item is eligible, you'll usually see a refund option right away. You confirm the issue, submit it, and Walmart processes it back to your original payment method. If a replacement is offered instead, you can usually switch back to a refund before final confirmation. If you don't see a refund option, use the Chat with Us option inside the same help screen. This connects you to support without restarting the claim. The key is to clearly state the order number and say you want a refund instead of replacement. Timing also matters. Reporting the issue right after delivery helps because the order is still active in Walmart's system. Waiting longer can move it into a review stage where support may ask for extra confirmation, like photos of the item you receive. If your refund is approved but you don't see the money, check the order status first. Walmart often shows refund issued in the app before your bank actually receives it, and bank processing time varies depending on your payment method. The most important steps are simple. Go to Orders, open Help with Order, pick the correct issue, and submit the refund request. If the system doesn't cooperate, switch to chat support and restate the order details. Next step is to open your recent Walmart delivery and check for any item issues before the refund window gets harder to process. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes on refunds, orders, and delivery problems.